Welcome once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here on the board. Now we have 2 log x plus 2 base 8 is equal to log 2x plus 9 base 8. And we are asked to find the value of x. Now this is very simple. This is just an example of logarithmic equation. Now here is the solution to this problem. Now what we have here is 2 log x plus 2 base 8 to be equal to log of 2x plus 19 base 8. Now there are some rules of logarithm that we need to know in order for us to solve this perfectly. Now this is one of the rules. If you have log of x squared, for example, or let's say if you have log of x plus 1 all raised to the power of 2, for example, this can also be rewritten as 2 log of x plus 1. What this means is the exponent here, this 2 here, can multiply the logarithm. You get the 2 here can multiply the log of x plus 1. So that's why you have 2 log x plus 1. The 2 here has been brought down to multiply the whole logarithm. So now, for example, just as we have here, we have 2 log x plus 2 base 8. Now, if we have these 2, we can also rewrite this as log of x plus 2 base 8 all raised to the power of 2 by this rule here. That means we are coming back from here to the original example I gave you. So from here now, this 2 that is multiplying the logarithm is now coming as the power here, because from here we can also bring it back and come back here. That's it. So this is equal to log of 2x plus 19 base 8. Now what you are now going to do is we can cancel out the log of base 8, log of base 8, we can cancel them out and work with these two products, which is what, x plus 2 all squared to be equal to 2x plus 19. Now remember, we are looking for the value of x. So what we can now do at this point is to expand these brackets. So since we have all of this raised to the power of 2, it means we are going to expand these brackets 2 times. So that will give us x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 to be equal to 2x plus 19. Now x times x will give us x squared, x times 2 will give us plus 2x, 2 times x will give us plus 2x, 2 times 2 will give us plus 4 to be equal to 2x plus 19. Now at this point we are going to collect like terms. So bring down our x squared, 2x plus 2x will give us plus 4x plus 4 equal to 2x plus 19. Equal to 2x plus 19. Now at this point also, we are going to still collect like terms. So x squared will stand alone now. Now 4x, 2x will cross over, this 2x will cross over to give us a negative, because this is a positive 2x. So when 2x crosses to this side, we are going to have, let's bring down this 4x first. We have plus 4x. When 2x crosses over, you're going to have negative 2x or minus 2x. Now we have 4 here. This 4 is going to cross over to this side. So if 4 crosses to this side, this is plus 4. When plus 4 crosses over to this side, you are going to have a negative 4. So this will be equal to, what's left here is now 19, because 2x has already, this 2x has already crossed over. So 19 is left. So when 4 crosses to this side, we have a negative 4 minus 4. So this will now be x squared plus 4x minus 2x will give us plus 2x equal to 19 minus 4 is 15. Now we have a quadratic equation here, of which moving this to this other side, we are going to have x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Now at this point, we are going to factorize this equation. To factorize this, we are going to look for two factors that if we should add the two factors, we are going to have 2. And if we should multiply the two factors, we are going to have minus 15. What are those factors? The factors will be 5 and 3, because 5 times 3 will give us 15. And then also it will not just be 5 and 3, it will be 5 and minus 3, because 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So I'm going to replace the middle term by these two factors. That will give us x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. Now in order to group them now, I'll have x squared plus 5x, one bracket, minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0. At this point, I'll look for what is common in these two brackets, and just like that, we can look for the value of x. Alright, so doing this now, we have x squared plus 5x. I also have minus into 3x minus 15 equal to 0. What is common here is x, so I'll factor out x because that's what is common. So x squared divided by x will give us x. 5x divided by x will give us 5. Minus, what is common here is 3. Now if I factor them out, I have 3. So now I'll have 3 into 3x divided by 3. I'll be left with x minus 15 divided by minus 3. I'll have plus 5 equal to 0. Now at this point now, I'll have x minus 3. Take this 2 outside, I'll have x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So at this point, it is either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So from this, therefore, x is equal to 3 from this side, or x will be equal to minus 5 from this side. So the true value of x that will satisfy this equation is either x will be equal to positive 3 or x will be equal to minus 5. And that is just the solution to this problem. Now if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, share this video to 5 groups. See you next time. Bye bye.